Hi, this is Dr. Harish Shandilya. I'm heading Global Regulatory Affairs, Product Portfolio Management, and Intellectual Property Department at Enzene. But yes, US FDA encourages the adoption of continuous manufacturing in the pharmaceutical industry, as it offers, several benefits such as increased efficiency, improved product quality, better control over the manufacturing process. And if you see ICH, which keep publishing, guidelines to help industry, they have now come up with Q13, which is the guideline for manufacturers who can apply these guidelines for manufacturing of drug substance and drug product, or convert of their conventional production to continuous manufacturing for their existing programs. If you see, initially the adoption of continuous manufacturing was very slow, and there were only very few takers when we started working on it at Enzene. However, now more and more manufacturers in biopharmaceutical space are getting into continuous manufacturing. I'm sure in next couple of years, you will see, continuous manufacturing will become the process of choice for manufacturers of therapeutic products using CHO-based platforms. I would like to say rather that continuous manufacturing is the future of biologics production. Continuous manufacturing, it eliminates a lot of unnecessary steps, reduces processing time. It's faster, more efficient technology. Product quality is great. Process consistency, reproduction is much better. Any parameters for that matter you consider. So I'm sure sooner or later, majority of the manufacturers will switch to continuous manufacturing to take the advantage of this technology, and this is how it is going to shape the future.